Hey there, dog lovers. I bet you've all experienced this at some point. You're trying to get some sleep, or maybe you're deep into that new Netflix show, when out of nowhere, your furry friend decides it's time for a barkathon. You're left wondering how to stop the dog from barking. Well, guess what? Today, I'm going to share with you the best DIY strategies to stop your dog from barking. Just imagine, after this, you'll be enjoying your quiet evenings with your well-behaved pooch. Ready? Let's dive in. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Our first step is to understand why your dog is barking. You see, barking isn't just noise. It's a way for dogs to communicate. They could be trying to warn you of something, or they might be bored or anxious. According to a research done by the University of Lincoln in 2019, dogs often bark when they're anxious or seeking attention. Now, let's talk about a method called positive reinforcement. This is a popular training method where you reward your dog for good behavior, helping them understand what they're doing right. Remember that research from the University of Lincoln? It also showed that dogs respond well to positive reinforcement. The trick here is consistency. Every time your dog stops barking on command, you reward them with a treat or their favorite toy. Say quiet, and when they stop, give them the reward. Do this regularly, and they'll catch on. Just imagine being able to stop the barking with a single command. Cool, right? Okay, so what if your dog barks at every moving thing? Here's a trick. Divert their attention. Just like how a fidget spinner can distract us, a new toy or a puzzle can distract your dog. This helps them channel their energy into something less noisy. This was confirmed by a study published by the American Veterinary Society of Animal Behavior in 2021. So next time, instead of shouting stop, consider handing them a squeaky toy. Creating a calm environment can do wonders. A study from the Journal of Veterinary Behavior in 2020 found that stress and anxiety can be a cause for excessive barking. Soothing music, pheromone diffusers, or even some calming pet sprays can make a significant difference. Picture this, your home filled with the scent of lavender, soft classical music playing, and your dog quietly napping by your side. Doesn't that sound amazing? And last but not least, regular exercise. A tired dog is a quiet dog, folks. Make sure your dog gets plenty of physical activity during the day, and I assure you, there will be less barking. The American Kennel Club has been saying this for years. Regular exercise helps keep behavioral problems in check. So there you have it, folks. 5 DIY strategies to answer that all-important question. How to stop a dog from barking. Remember, consistency is key. Try these methods out, and let me know how they work for you in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share this video with your fellow dog lovers, and give us a like. Until next time, happy dog training.